Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Jewelry Making Fun Challenge hosted by Deb Houck, also known as Dahlia Designs. So the challenges this month for April of 2024 was that she wanted us to use silver, gold, copper, bronze. She wanted, and that was a must, okay? And I think she wanted us, if I read this right, because it says silver, gold, copper, and bronze. So I think she wanted us to use all of those metals. She wanted us to make a bracelet. And she wanted us to have drop beads, kind of like rain showers. Before I show you my little raindrop bead, I just wanted to show you the rest. We have a bracelet. This is made from a recycled guitar string. And it's kind of a coppery color. And then the end bead is a bronze. And I used silver wires, 20 gauge wire, to wire it up. And then I came back with some, it looks like antique bronze, but it's more, it's actually, the color is called coconut. I tend to use this wire a lot. I really like it. But so I've got all my metals in there, the colors at least. And, you know, I could have just left it there like that. But I remember, I'm trying to remember what month this was. Was it December 2023? Bargain Bead Box. I really liked one of the things that was in there. These beads, they reminded me of raindrops. In fact, when I did the unboxing, I mentioned that they look like raindrops. And so that's what I used for my little drop bead here. I just took some bronze wire and wired up the little bead there. And here I have my guitar string bangle bracelet with all the metals in there and my little raindrop. So I'm going to leave links down in the description box below to all the other participants of this challenge so you can go check out what they made this month. And thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.